let's talk about one of the biggest opportunities in insurance marketing right now that's different from everything else. This would apply to a lot of small businesses as well, but specifically insurance agencies, like independent agencies, micro influencers. And you're probably going, what are you talking about, man? Micro influencers. When most people hear influencer marketing, they think of celebrities with millions of followers. But for insurance, that's not where the opportunity is. Many small businesses, the real power comes from smaller, trusted voices. I came from a radio world back in the day, and radio people, local radio people, they could do testimonials and they could sell products for customers. They would endorse certain products, and some still do. Some radio people still do that around the country, but a trusted voice now on the internet in your market would be called a micro influencer. So what exactly is a micro influencer? They're everyday people with between 1,000 and 50,000 followers in your area. Think local fitness coaches, financial advisors, lifestyle bloggers, or even community leaders. Their audiences are not huge, okay? But they're loyal, engaged, and they trust them. And that trust is everything in insurance and many small businesses. So here's why micro influencers work better than big influencers. They generate 60% higher engagement rates than the big names. 82% of the consumers say they're more likely to act on a recommendation from a micro influencer they trust than from a national or traditional ad. And they're affordable. Instead of spending tens of thousands on one post, you can often partner with a micro influencer for just a few $100 in some markets. So how can insurance professionals use micro influencers? First, look local. Partner with people in your local community who already have credibility. Wellness coaches, like I said, financial educators, even local business owners with strong followings. Second, collaborate on content that builds trust. Think short form videos explaining common questions in your business, okay? Reels work for that, fantastic. And third, make it measurable. Always use links, QR codes or landing pages so you can track what's working. I know there's a lot of people that are not fans of QR codes, but they're making a resurgence. The bottom line is this: insurance is a trust-driven business, as many service-based businesses are. Ads can be ignored, cold calls will for sure be blocked, but when someone hears about you from a person they already know and trust, it's a game changer. Can turn into a warm lead, right? In 2025, micro influencers aren't just a trend, they're one of the smartest moves you can make in marketing right now. And you might be going, well, how do I find them? Well, if you can't find them, and you haven't seen voices like that in your market, what's the opportunity? You be the micro influencer. I know it sounds nuts, but Google it. Put it in an LLM, ChatGPT, and see what it takes. You might be surprised. Thanks for watching. If you'd like help building a marketing strategy that actually drives some leads, visit maxoutcreative.com. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.